To install Office 365, first, browse to mail.thomasmore.edu. Once you have signed into your email account, go ahead and click on the waffle icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then click Office 365. Here, you want to click Install Office and choose the first option, Office 365 Apps. Once you click this, it will start the install in the bottom left corner of your browser. Once the setup is finished, go ahead and click on it. This will be asking you if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Go ahead and click Yes. Microsoft Office products will now begin installing on your computer. You will know the installer is finished when you see this screen here. It should say you are all set, Office is installed now. To test this and make sure that the apps are already installed, go ahead and search for the applications down here in the bottom left of the Windows search bar. As you can see here, the application Word is installed. Just to make sure, we can try PowerPoint and Excel as well. All Office 365 apps should now be installed on your computer. If you have any further questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us. You can give us a call at 859-344-3646, or you can put a help desk ticket in at helpdesk.thomasmore.edu.